This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened